guys, today we are gonna unboxing slime, crystal slime, and I want to show you guys what I'm gonna unboxing this slime. Let's first this slime right here, right there. And you see, there's also a stick. So let's see. Okay, let's unbox it. This is what I know I hate. Okay. Oh, wow. In the box, there's also a straw. Wait. And let's see what are the type. Okay, the first one, we're gonna open the red one. It's kind of sticky. Ugh. I hope it doesn't stick in this table. Okay, let's go to the next one. Make funny sounds. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Next one is the color orange. Oh, there's that on the lid too. Ooh, it's more stickier than the red one. I thought it was sticking to the table. Okay, let's put this back. It does make funny noise. Let's wait. Now it's time for Lelo. It's more stickier than I thought it would be. We have 8 slimes, so it's gonna be a lot. Let's go to the next one is I'll get this color green. Okay. Ooh. There's a big bubble. Okay. I think, why is this really disgusting? There's a hair. Okay, let's ignore it. Wait. Okay, I get it. Okay, let's do it. Doesn't make part sense. And I don't think it's gonna describe. Okay, let's do the next one. The next one will be okay. I already use it, but I already use it. And also these two I already use. And all of those I didn't have to use. Okay. It's just kinda a little bit. Wait. Sorry, that was my sister's things. Okay, let's just play this. Okay, now let's go to the fifth one. I don't know. I think the okay. Let's go to the next one. This time we're gonna go on purple. Okay, let's go. Stop. Ugh, it's so sticky. Yeah. My gosh. It just ripped. Wait, let's try the left half of the tall. Done. Okay, now you just see my big sister. You just see my big sister. What happened to the camera? Wait. Okay. Okay, we're not gonna do that. Then let's go to the next one. It does, but the green and blue doesn't make funny noise. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, that's it. This one. This. Out. Okay, let's do this one. It does have foam on of them. It's not foam, it's... Can you see it? Can you see? Can you see? Okay. Okay, guys. Ah! Okay, let's not make fun of that. Okay. On to the next one. The purple one I played too long because I'm just... It is too sticky. Oh. Why? Okay. Ugh. Oi! Now let's go to the last one. Okay, it's clear, but I don't think it's not clear. Is it clear? You think? Huh? Okay, let's do it. Oh, this is more stickier than the purple one. Oh, that was a bubble. But wait, I want to make a big bubble with this straw. Okay, I will show you guys. like this bubble. Hey. Okay, that was disappointment. Testing. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's go put this on. Let's just stick it in the table. Okay, these were the slime that we played. So, thank you for watching. Please, anyone can like this video. I have more likes. Please. Okay, thank you. Can you please like the video? Okay, thank you. Now, it's time. No, no, yeah. Okay, you guys want to see I played all of them? Okay, let's try. Wait, I will open one by one. Wait. Okay, now we open the lids. Now it's time for pour. Okay, I'll put this aside first. I will put red here. Okay. I'll put orange here. I put yellow, purple. Okay, yellow here. You don't see it. Is that right? Okay. I think this can put it. Okay. Okay. Okay, now it's time for green. We'll put you there. I think the green is too small, so you can put over there. So I need the help of my sister to play with me for a minute. Okay, I thought this is a disaster. Maybe it's a disaster. Why the white one is more fun? It's more stickier than all of them. Okay. These are all of the slides. Wait, I will call my sister first. We are gonna play the slide. That's my sister over there. I just want to. I just want to. Oh. Okay. I'm on that. Okay. Okay, the camera moves. Which one we should put back to the container? Put back the green slide because it's too not stretchy, and also blue. Blue is also not stretchy enough. It's just you can just rip. Okay, let's put it back. Why? Okay. Ooh. Eh! Okay. Oh, itu je lah. Tak. Okay, wait. Okay, let's put the. Okay, Let's put back the white and the purple. We are gonna play the pink one. Okay, let's put the pink one back. Because, ugh.
Ay, ano meron simpan?
Okay. Oh.
Put the red one.
Where's the red one? Oh.
Baka may marunong. Kamay na naman slime. Sinong darating?
Nay! She took away my purple slime. She wanna play when she watch her phone. If you can see it, oh wait, she can't. She don't want Egypt. Okay, now it's time for the purple. Give me back the purple. Okay, thank you. Okay, this one is my favorite. Wait, I should make a bubble. It's hard to make a bubble in a table, but at the floor. Okay, okay. 3, 2. Okay, can you see that? Oh, oh, oh. Okay, now let's put back the purple. I regret saying that the first one I regret. I thought it was the end. But thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And thank you. Bye.